Unraveling the Rust Belt, a deep dive. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase from the English language, Rust Belt. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means but also the historical and cultural significance behind it. Let's dive in. The term, Rust Belt, refers to a region in the northeastern and midwestern United States. Historically, this area was known for its heavy industries, especially steel production. However, over time, many of these industries declined. The term, rust, in Rust Belt, symbolizes the decay and decline of factories and infrastructure, many of which were literally rusting due to disuse. The Rust Belt was once the heart of American manufacturing. During the 20th century, cities like Pittsburgh, Cleveland, and Detroit thrived due to their steel mills, factories, and automobile plants. However, by the late 20th century, several factors contributed to the decline of these industries. 1. Globalization. As production shifted overseas, American factories faced stiff competition. 2. Automation. Modern technology meant fewer hands were needed, leading to job losses. 3. Shift in economy. The U.S. started moving towards a more service-based economy. As industries declined, many factories shut down, leading to significant job losses and economic downturns in these areas. The term, Rust Belt, isn't just about geography or economy, it's also deeply entwined with American culture. The decline of the Rust Belt has been a subject of music, literature, and films. The struggles faced by communities in the Rust Belt highlight broader themes of change, adaptation, and resilience. For English learners, understanding the nuances of such phrases can offer a deeper insight into the culture and history of English-speaking countries, especially the United States. The Rust Belt is a poignant reminder of the ever-changing nature of economies and societies. While the term may suggest decay and decline, the resilience and spirit of the people in this region have given it new life and hope. We hope this video shed light on the deeper meanings behind the phrase and enhanced your understanding of the English language. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.